morning everyone. Standard 3 Environment. Chapter number 13 Sharing Our Feelings. The first we read this textbook. I am Seema. I am studying in 3rd standard. After returning home from school, there are two people with whom I like to share all my news. They enjoy listening to my tales. The first person is my nanny. She is always anxious to listen to me. She waits for me to return from school. She is quite old and often has back pains. She cannot see or hear well. Every day in the morning, Papa reads the newspaper aloud to her. She does the rest of her work herself. If someone tries to help her, she gets very upset. Though she cannot see, probably she is very fond of cutting vegetables. She says these days children do not know how to cut vegetables properly. The second person, Ravi Bhaiya. He lives with us. I call him Ravi Bhaiya and he calls my parents Bhaiya Bhabi. I do not know what our relationship is, but he is very loving. He is always ready to answer my question. He never say I will tell you later. Ravi Bhaiya teaches in a college. The students of the college respect him a lot. Ravi Bhaiya is very fond of listening to music and taking part in plays. He enjoys chatting with his friends and doing out with them. He has a good sense of humor and makes all us laugh. Bhaiya carried a white stick when he goes out. Looking at him moving around in the house, no one can say that he cannot see. He likes to do all his work himself. If someone tries to help him against his wish, he gets angry. Whenever he needs any help, he asks for it. Some of Bhaiya's students take books from him and return them after recording them on tapes. Ravi Bhaiya listens to these tapes. Bhaiya has many other books too. The pages of these books are thick and have row of page point. He reads the running his finger on and raised dot. To have fun with Bhaiya, I something changes the place of his stick. He does get upset but never gets angry. After all, I am his favorite sister Seema. I had hardly reached the door that Bhaiya spoke up. Seema, you seem to be very happy today. Bhaiya recognized not only me but all the other family members from the sound we make as we move. He can even tell whatever I am happy or sad. Bhaiya, family, I am in football team. I shared my news with him. He patted me and said lovingly, from today you are my football coach. Blindfold. To blindfold anyone's children in the group, one by one the other children come to him or her quietly. The children who is blindfolded has to guess who the other children is by touching him or her. Take care not to make of any sound. In the same way, one by one, blindfold all other children. Each one has to try and guess by touching who the other children are. There is a special way of reading and writing for people who cannot see. It's called braille, and it is written on a thin paper by making a row of raised point, dots with a pointed tool. The braille is read by running by the fingers of the raised dots. So let us learn about braille. So you have seen the Ravi's Bhaiya's read a special type of books. How were these books made and who first wrote this book? Let us found about it. So this one say the braille script. Here A that means 1, B that means 2, C that means here, and D this type, and E. So we communicated either by action by symbol instead of speaking, saying without speaking. Down to arrange this activity in the class. So Louis Braille belonged to France. One day when he was 3 years old, he was playing with his father's tools and suddenly a pointed tool hurt his eyes. He lost his eyes and he had keen interest in studies. Though he was not able to see, he did not give up. He kept thinking of different way to read and write. Finally, he found a way, reading by touching and feeling. So this way to reading later come to the know as the Braille script. Then in this type of script, a row of raised dots are made on thin paper. Because these dots are raised, they can be read by running and figures on them. This script is based on 6 point and the Braille script has undergone many changes these days. This has made reading and writing simpler. The Braille can now also be written using the computer. So now we are going to start our book. Question number 1. Choose the correct alternative from those given below each question and write the index number. So what does Seema's father read aloud for her nanny? Then answer C. The newspaper. What does Ravi Bhaiya use while working? That means a white stick. Which script is used to people who cannot see? That means Braille script. On how many dots in this script based? That means 6. Who was the creator of the brilliant script? That means Louis Braille. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks of each sentence with an appreciated word. The Braille script is based on dash those 6 dots. The Louis Braille invented dash the brilliant script. Seema was selected for the dash team, football team. The dash script is read by running one figure on the raised dot, that is Braille. Nowadays, Braille can even be written with the help of dash, that means computers. Now, question number 3. Put right mark in front of the statement that are true and wrong in front those that are false. The Seema's nanny cannot hear well, so the newspaper has to be read aloud, that means right. Ravi Bhaiya teach children in a school, wrong. A blind person can recognize a person as soon as he is and she sees the person, wrong. Fingers are used to read the Braille script, that means right. We can recognize all the things only by touching or feeling them, wrong. There are script schools for blind children, that means yes. For old people, the stick is as useful as their legs, that means right. Question number 4. Match the column appropriately. The Braille script, though C. The script that the blind read. Tape recorder, that means E. Ravi Bhaiya listen and learn. Ravi Bhaiya, then a teacher in a college. Seema, that means plays football. Now question number 5. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. Who all are there in your family? There are mother, father, elder sister, elder brother and myself in my family. How many teeth are there in your mouth? So there are 30 teeth in my mouth. Which student in the class has maximum number of teeth? That means my friend Sudeep has the maximum number of teeth. How many things we can recognize only by touching? So I can recognize toys, paper, fruits, vegetables, clothes, furniture, utensils, etc. just by touching. 5. Which people can you identify from the sound they make as the move? So I can recognize my family member as well as my close friend Priyans just by smelling. Can you guess which someone close to you? So yes, my uncle has the habit of using of particularly perfume, so I can recognize him just by smelling. What trouble does the Seema's nanny have? Seema's nanny is old. She suffers from the baggage. She cannot see or hear, probably due to her old age. What does Nani say about children of today? To Nani say that these days children do not know how to cut vegetables. What work does Ravi Bhaiya do? To Ravi Bhaiya teach student in a college. What Ravi Bhaiya fond of? So Ravi Bhaiya loves to listening to music. He also takes part of players and he enjoys chatting with his friends and going out with them. When does Ravi Bhaiya get angry? Ravi Bhaiya likes to all his work himself. If someone tries to help him against his wishes, he gets angry. Why was Seema very happy? Since Seema had been selected from the football team, she was very happy. What is the Braille script? A special script made for the people who cannot see is known as the Braille script. How do blind people recognize others by their voice or by feeling touching them? Who invented the Braille script? The Louis Braille of the French invented the Braille script. Now question number 6. Answer the following question briefly. Seema's father reads the newspaper aloud to her nanny. How do you help old people? I search from my grandfather's secretaries and give them to him. I take him to the temple and bring him back home carefully. Sometimes while going to school, I help old people to cross the road. How does Ravi Bhaiya come to know so many things without seeing? His sense of hearing is very sharp, so he comes to know many things by listening and well by touching or feeling them. What kind of problem do people have their old age? So they cannot see clearly, they cannot hear probably, they feel pain in their joint and necks. Since most of their teeth have fallen off, they cannot eat hard food stuff. They cannot go out of the house without someone's support or without their stick. Even you ever needed a stick when? Yes, when I had spread my legs, I needed a stick for a few days to help my walk. Can you think when you may need a stick? Yes. Whenever I see an old or disabled person walking with the help of stick, if I need to climb a mountain, I may need a stick. How do you help other people who cannot see? By helping them to cross the road, by giving them a seat in the bus, by reading the newspaper to them, by guiding them to the right way while traveling. Close your eyes and listen. What sound you can hear? When we are sitting at home, we can hear the voice of our family members. Apart from this, we can also hear sound of birds, voice of people living in our society. And when we are in class, we can hear the voice of our classmate, the student in the adjoining classrooms, and our teacher, etc. all. How are people can see able to read? Then people who can see the read with the help of the brilliant script, they are raised dot made on a trick paper in the script. What is the speciality of Ravi Bhaiya's books? Why? So Ravi Bhaiya's cannot see. See, he is blind. So Ravi Bhaiya's story and study books are their thick paper with line of red dots on them, and he reads by running his finger on this red dot. What is the special characteristic in brief script? The Braille is the script written with the lines of red dot on thin paper, and the blind can read by running their fingers on the red dot. How was Braille script invented? So one day Louis Braille was 3 years old and he was playing with his father's tool, and suddenly a point tool hurt his eyes. He lost his eyes, and he had a keen interest in study, so he did not give up. Finally, he found a way, reading by touching and feeling. This way of the reading later come to be known as the Braille script. A blind person has 3 legs. How? So while walking, the blind keep a white stick with them. They keep the stick ahead of them, and with its help can get an idea whenever the road ahead is good or not. If there is a ditch or any other hurdle, they know about it with the help of their stick and become alert. In this way, the stick serves them as the third leg. So here, the chapter number 13, sharing our feelings, completed.